Hi, this is Jessica with NiftyKit here, and welcome to the ERC20 app powered by NiftyKit. With this free access tool, you'll have the seamless ability to accept any ERC20 token as payment for your NFTs, even if your smart contract is in Ethereum, Base, Polygon, or any other supported networks by NiftyKit. Whether it's popular tokens like USDC, BRETT, PEPE, and DEGEN, or even your own custom ERC20 token, accepting payments has never been easier for your NFTs. So in this guide, we'll be showing you how to add PEPE as payment for an NFT drop launched on a Polygon contract. Let's get started. To begin, you must first have launched a collection with NiftyKit. Then you're going to go to your collection and we'll go to the collection dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Apps tab. Here, we can install the ERC20 app by clicking Add. Now that that's installed, let's set it up by returning to the Overview tab. Find the ERC20 and click Edit to get started. If you want to accept USDC as your ERC20 token, just click here and choose USDC and then click Update Now. And there will be a gas fee. But let me also show you how to add a custom ERC20 token. So we will just reject this transaction for now, and I'll be adding PEPE. The next steps may seem a little technical, but it's easy to do. So before we proceed, just make sure you have the following two things ready. One, your collection's contract address, and two, the token address of your custom ERC token on the chain of your launched contract. For example, if you want to add PEPE, the token address should be on Polygon if you have a Polygon collection. If you're not sure how to get it, just do a quick search. So since my collection is on Polygon, I'll search for PEPE token address on Polygon. And here it is on Polygon Scan. And this is what we need. If your collection is on a different network, simply search for the token address accordingly. To get your collection's contract address, you can find it on NiftyKit by clicking here on View and then on Etherscan here, or the Blockchain Explorer to copy the contract address. After copying that, we'll need to visit a website called looper.dev. This is a platform where you can configure the smart contract of your NFT collection since it's a diamond collection. So we're going to paste your contract address, the one we copied earlier, into the search box here and choose the network. I did mine on Polygon, so let me just type Polygon here and click search to find the contract. And connect your wallet. Make sure to connect the right wallet, meaning you should only connect the wallet that owns the contract. Then click here to choose faucet and select ERC20 app faucet. Then find the option named ERC20 set active token, and here it is. Now paste the token address of your custom ERC20 token into this field and make sure it's correct and that this is the right token and that you want to accept this as payment. Click Right to confirm the transaction, and there will be another gas fee. Now let's return to our NiftyKit dashboard and make sure to refresh to reflect the changes. And there you go, we see that PEPE is now added. Now you can start the sale, click Prepare Drop, and choose between pre-sale or public. It works for both. And when doing the sale, now you have the option of which token you'd like to receive as payments. So now let's see how it would look when minting. And now you can see here, you can now mint with PEPE. And there you go. You have installed your custom ERC20 token. Now remember, only one token can be applied at a time per sale. You cannot choose 2 tokens or networks at the same time, but you can add as many ERC20 tokens per sales period just by redoing these steps. So for example, your first week, sell on USDC, second week, PEPE, third week, back to your main network on Base. It's all under your control. Also, you will need to follow all the steps before starting your sale on your collection, and you must first fully set up the ERC20 app and decide which token you want to accept for your drop. Once your sale is complete, you can then withdraw your earnings from your collection. And to withdraw your ERC20 earnings, just go to the Overview tab and click on the drop down as shown below. And that's it. Now you're ready to accept ERC20 payments for your NFTs and manage your sales with ease. You can refollow these steps in our guide, in our docs if you need more help, or you can message our support team via the chat support on our website, app.niftykit.com.